We are pleased to show you the 2008 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.